Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Fiona and I'm a full-time artist, and on this channel I like to take you with me on my artistic journey, whether that means working on projects here in my studio, going out to see art exhibits, buying art supplies and sharing my haul with you, basically any art related content. So if that sounds like something you're into, please like and subscribe. It's one free click for you, but makes a big difference for my channel, and I would really appreciate it. All right, friends, I am back from San Francisco, picking up where we left off here. It's a few days after what I originally anticipated, and that is because I caught flu A while out there. So I literally had COVID a month ago. Now I have flu A, and it has been rough. Like, let me tell you, this season is kicking my butt. You probably can hear it a little bit in my voice. I'm still not fully recovered. I'm not on my feet completely yet, but I do need to get back into the studio and keep making all the holiday things. Look at this cute little sweater ornament. So we have the kiln on currently, and when I came back, I quickly glazed some things for that. So we will do opening of the kiln later. I'll also take you down and just show you what we have in general, because I don't even remember what I filmed last. But a lot of things have come out, but with that said, there's still plenty to do. My holiday shop is launching on Black Friday, which I know you guys have heard because you've been watching the studio tours, right? Have you been enjoying them? Let me know if you have. I've really been enjoying them, and I'm so happy to see my friends on the channel. So shout out to them. Thank you so much, guys. So yes, so I have the Black Friday shop launching. That's November 29th. Usually Instagram and my newsletter are the first ways to get like the first immediate links the minute it goes out. But I do plan to launch a video on that day, so you can keep an eye out for that as well. And then I have a holiday chalet in Princeton, which is going to be super cute. And then on top of that, I got accepted into Renegade Craft Fair. I actually got accepted into both the Brooklyn and the Manhattan Fair, but the Brooklyn one is happening the same time as the Holiday Chalet in Princeton, which I had already agreed to do. So I'm going to do the Manhattan one, which is the week after. So 3 holiday things, sequential weekends in a row. So I have to make a lot of stuff so that I have inventory across all of these things. And it's that weird thing as an artist where I don't want to make too much and then I don't sell enough. But then if I don't make enough, and then I don't want to get to Renegade and not have things to sell. But we are going to glaze and we're going to chill and see how we do with things. So let's get into it. Morning, friends. Zelda also says good morning, friends. We unloaded the kiln with some interesting results, so I will show you that in a moment. But today I'm going to be glazing mugs. So that will probably be today and tomorrow because I have enough over here. Let me turn you. I have enough mugs that it will probably take me the 2 days, but that's the goal, to get that done. Yeah, today is also a weird day because I've spoke about it, but we are selling our home in Bloomfield because of the divorce, and we had an open house the last few days. Apparently it's been a very good turnout. Our realtor said we're going to be getting offers in this evening, and then we need to make a decision tonight. So feeling, how do I describe it? It's so hard to describe. I'm happy that, we're going to be able to sell it, but it's like I'm also completely and utterly heartbroken about it. So it just kind of stirred up a lot of emotions. So it's been an emotional few days
with the house being shown, and it's kind of coming to a head today. So just going to try and be a bit gentle with myself and get into things here. But yeah, let me show you what came out of the kiln, and let's talk about that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's go downstairs. Today is the first day for hat weather, which is very exciting. I'm feeling more and more in the holiday mood. Let me know what it's like where you guys are at. Okay, let's look at some stuff that came out of the kiln. We have a few mugs. So the mugs that I'll be working on today are in these same colorways. I just have to finish them. I did 3 of them before leaving for San Francisco so we could kind of see what the colors are looking like. And so I think I have 3 of each color, and then I'm going to do 2 in black and white. I also have a bunch of black and white. So we have the handleless ones. Now, here's the thing. Normally, we get, you see this really shiny, glossy finish. So this clay, we treated it the same way with the clear gloss, but like it's hard to describe unless you're seeing it in person, but it's very waxy and it's not like a high gloss finish. Like it almost looks like we put wax or icing on it. It has a completely different hand feel from anything we've ever made. So I don't really understand why this clay took this a certain way, but I like it. It's really different for us. It's a lot more matte, a lot more tactile. Like I said, like if you like something more matte and like a bit more of like a waxy feel, like it's not leaving a residue on your hands. You have more of a grip, let's put it that way. And then we did votive candles, a bunch. I have 5 in black and white that look just like this. And then we have some that are color. So blue and red. And then the weird thing. So these were meant to be evergreen. The clay just did not take to it. And I did my marks as usual on it. And this is what happened. With that said, my mom is really into these. She thinks they're really cool. She goes, it looks like snow and it's really textured. I have a vision, which is obviously like, you know, very crispy and graphic and colorful and like it's my aesthetic, right? But, you know, these mistakes can happen and they can be cool in their own way. And I feel like somebody might love this. Just little guys, really cute. Here's one from the previous sale. So these guys, I think are going to be an in-person thing. What can I show you? Okay, so this is a new planter that came out, which I kind of love this spaced out pattern. Playful and fun, you know. I mean, and I have planters with like my more dense marks, but I think she's cute. There's something about it that I like. Some more of that waxy clay, also in a blue. And then this is like see that sort of waxy texture that came out? Here's one that came out glossy because we used the other clay. So you can see very, very smooth and high gloss. Another waxy one in black and white. The spoon rests that came out, the clay did shrink quite a bit, but hey, it's still usable. So we have it in that lilac and green, black and white. It's funny, I did the red and green thinking it's Christmassy, but it actually looks like a watermelon to me. So if you're a fan of watermelon, that one's for you. We have a blue on blue, which I also very much like this, and the yellow and teal. Okay, real quick, we took stuff we had out of our inventory box and laid that out. So let me show you literally everything we have right now. So as you can see, we have 3 platters that we took out, quite a few vases here, all the votives. This is like a seconds box for things with a bit of damage, ornaments, leggies, brush holders, ring dishes, bowls. This is everything so far.
more to come. Let's get to work. Good morning. It is the next day. I only got 2 mugs done yesterday. So this one I did actually in bed last night. It was a long night. We got 9 offers on our house, which was amazing, but we had to review all of them and, give everything consideration and, I don't know why I thought selling the house would be easier. Like, I just thought there'd be like a standout one and we'd be like, yeah, of course, we'll pick that one. But it's like, it's so layered, and maybe it's because I'm an emotional person, but I'm like, these are people with their own hopes and dreams too for a home. And the housing market's not easy right now. And I don't know. Yeah, we we talked for a long time and gave everything a lot of consideration. So it wasn't, yeah, it was not an easy choice, and I don't know why. I just thought it would be. So there'll be some distractions today because I'll have to get on the phone with my lawyer and different things. But yeah, I only got 2 mugs done yesterday, which is not good. Like, I need to pick up the pace. So what I've decided to do this morning is do this sort of style on a set of mugs, which is like my spaced out marks. It doesn't take me as long. I think it looks super cute, and I feel like I can do a set of those because I haven't done it before. So I feel like this pattern is good for those reasons. I've also been watching like a lot of like, illustration YouTubers, and they sent their like mugs and other things they send out to get printed. And I'm like, imagine if I just made a design once and then just got it printed. Like, then I would be able to actually offer it for $30 and I could do handmade stuff for more money. I don't know. The joy is in the handmaking for me, like that's where I find my joy, at least, like in doing it. It's just, it's so slow. And then, like, does the money even make sense? I don't know. Today is also election day here in the States. So it's sort of like a high stress day for multiple reasons. So I'm just trying to chill out, watch some stuff on my phone, and just like focus on my work and getting some glazing done. Like, that is today. I need to focus on getting work done. I feel very chatty this morning. I'm also trying to decide. I see that applications are open for the other art fair, London, and the London fair would be happening the weekend before my residency in France starts. So I feel like timing's kind of good if I wanted, because I'm going over anyway. I'm getting a flight over anyway. So it's like I could fly into London early, do the other art fair there, ship whatever doesn't sell back, and then go to my residency. Like, I've always wanted to do the London fair, but like it's a lot to be like, I'm going to fly there and do this thing, because I did the LA one and it didn't pan out so well for me. I learned a lot from that though, actually, and it's really helped my practice. So I don't regret doing it at all. But, you know, to like a whole excuse to be like, well, I have to get a ticket and fly there and do the whole thing. But I'm going there anyway. Like, I will be there. So I feel like maybe I should apply. This is actually a good thing to talk about because this is sort of my, like, my method is I don't think a lot about applications. I just apply to things. And then if I do get them or if things work out, then I figure it out. You know, do I want to do it? Can I do it and stuff? Because I think a lot of people are like, oh, and they kind of build up these walls of like excuses of not doing things because, you know, whatever reason. And for me, I'm like, I just kind of blindly apply to things and then I kind of forget that I applied. And then if I find out later I got in, then I'm like, oh, do I want to do this? And then I figure it out. I don't know. I don't know if that's the best method, but that's what I do. I'm going to watch some stuff, sit here and glaze, try not to stress about life, try to get my hopes up. I just feel very, I don't know, I just feel weighed down. Like, and it's like weird because like I know selling a house is good. I know it's good. And we got a fantastic offer. It's just that next step, I guess, in the divorce. So it just weighs very heavily on me and sort of all my hopes and dreams for all of that is going away. And I'm like, what's my next hope and dream? You know? Like it's like I feel like I had a roadmap for my life and now it's like I really have to sit back and be like, what is the roadmap? You know? It's a weird time. It's a weird time. So I'm gonna watch some YouTube, some other vloggers doing their thing. Hopefully, kind of get remotivated about stuff. Maybe do some applications. Like, yeah, that's what I need to do. Just a little refocus. But thanks for listening. Okay, I'm gonna keep blazing. Good morning. It is a new day here in the studio. I'm gonna open the windows, get some light in here, and work on rainbow glazing today. So let's get everything set up.